particular nga chapter 1. Okay? Ini kuan asa dito nga part ang medyo di kayo ta familiar. I'm sure na human naman mo og kanang kuan human na mo og okay na human na mo og thesis sa inyong undergrad. So, wala may idea about that. Sige. Any other question? Yes, sir. Go ahead, Sir Plaza.
Sir, good evening. Clarify lang sir, di ba ganing atong final na PIT is chapter 1, chapter 2 lang, more sa concept
Mm.
paper. So, amo siyang i-plaster as a murag concept paper. Pero inig present karong May 14, unsa man siya sir kanang in Canva form gyapon na mag-present gyapon na naka-summarize na or kato mismo na
Pero
lang paper magpakita.
maghatag ko sa inyo og template on presentation on how to present para uniform tanan. Maghatag ko sa inyo og unsay i-present for 10 slides, unsay content para uniform ang tanan. Okay, so kuha lang siguro, remind lang nako sa inyo when it comes to your scope and limitation, you have to see to it nga the limitation on the respondents, okay, because since it is a management and then it is expected from your end to have this idea of uh ano ba itong, asking the the ano na siya, may tawag na perception, na perception, ilahang not only perception but their experiences based on the actual nga construction. So although it is hypothetical lang man, we cannot do that man kay tama naman sa concept, but we see to it ba nga if we are going to make a certain concept, we will make sure nga the direction of your paper is uh, the determination of the problem. So depende. So, for example, your problem is katong pares kay Sir Modern Sir no nga about safety program. So how this became a problem. So ipangutana man mo sa una no nga which journal would you think nga it is aligned to, di ba? Ang imo ang literature. Then I'm sure you have an idea already nga how this concept nga ma-develop into a certain new one nga in relevance to sa inyong field or sa inyong location. So like it's a developing concept lang nila. No, I can use if for instance you are going to quantitative, that's good. Pero kung qualitative, medyo kung ano man ang qualitative kay thematic man siya. So medyo broad siya pang education. What management is relevant to it kay ina naman ang yung concept. But when you talk about kanang idea of sa term na kanang quantitative, mag-survey form na ta, no? Mag nalang tay series of questionnaires na to use that questionnaire to to gauge or evaluate a certain scenario, no? Wherein, for example, katong safety program, sa murag profiling. So kung ang pangutana is ang mga supervisor, uh, mga for instance, ang mga question is, have you attended a seminar related to safety program? Kung mga inana ba? Patanawon ninyo itong inyong literature, yun sa nila paghimo. And then you will be able to grasp chapter 1 and as well as ang chapter 2. May problema sa chapter 2 kay kinaiba to the expected, kung ano man expected topic, but ang kaning chapter 1 kay because this will give you an idea what is the expected content in your chapter 3 as well as your chapter 4, chapter 5, if ever if it is your proposed topic. But if you are you are applying this to your uh kanang structural, no, kay structural man no, align man ang inyo ang pandiya sa structural. So the same as that, no, murag which problem you are going to determine ang assessment ba sa or seismic nga kuan, seismic analysis o sa ka-building, why is it a problem, why there is a need to study that location and so on. I'm sure in your structural design ng mga subjects, you are taught on how you're going to determine problems and also you are taught also to how to design a certain specific na mga problems or new buildings baka then so be it, no, if that would entail you nga mo connect sa inyo ang mga problems sa inyong thesis and that would be good addition sa inyong knowledge. And then from concept, developing it to your uh, chapter 2. So as we go back, no, sa tong very beginning sa tong discussion, we are discussing about why safety is still a problem. So you will be giving an idea, each of you, and that will be our knowledge as to why this subject is this subject exists. So kumbaga, going back, no, until end atong semester, kung ano gid siya, maplasta na nato nga, nahuman na tong semester nga kani akong na katunan. Nga ako ning balon-balonon nga mahuman ang semester nga ako nakuha. Okay, so going back, no, April 29 next week, 30 rather, another consultation for your chapter 2, and then for May 7, di ta magklase to finalize your output, and then submission on May 14. That will be our last meeting on May 14. So the next week, para maka-focus mo sa inyong other subjects. So as of now, buhatan ninyo, no? I will not hold the class uh, for the next hours, no? Karon po makabuhat mo naman ng inyong output. Questions? Yes, Sir Plaza. Right.
Last lang sir.
Sige.
Ah, kasi kining atong mismong di ba concept paper man ni sir, A4 gyapon ang size, then PDF siya
Mm,
i-submit sa 14 same
mm,
time na mag-present.
yes.
Yes sir, mao ra sir.
Tagaan lang tamo dayon og template o PPT on what is the content of your presentation. Para uniform tatanan kara kay basit niya og si Sir Plaza 30 slides yung nahuman. Niya si Sir ah, si Sir Boda Sir kay 11 lang madugay ta ka Sir Plaza mo. Uniform na to para dali ta mahuman. Siguro maximum of 10 minutes lang siguro max na lang, no? 7 to we can have 7 minutes of presentation and that's it. That's good. Kung lagay kayo na kay concept ra. 7 to 10 minutes presentation. Okay? Alam manad-anad ta kung kay thesis na mapit na. Ano na lang, gamay na lang, no? Parang di magbinuwa nga maestro ani. Ito ay dool na lang kayo na inyong normal gid na, no? I'm sure that can kay requirements in ang mga other subjects. But it's part of how you are going to develop your understanding as a graduate student and normal gid na normal na gusto man ta maka-add og knowledge sa to ang self so to nang ipadayon, no. Anyway kamo man pud ang maka-benefit okay or promotion pohon, no, nga o ay nga sacrifice ng gamay normal na kung dili unang kung kalabad ninyong ulo pa music lang din mo graduation song para inspire pa gid mo para sis kapoy na biya sir pero ako lang gining antuson kapoy yung subject siya sige ra may present sa ning mga problema safety ila man yung problema di man yung problema nako. Pero sige lang kay of course pasin yung mga managers mo puhon, 'di ba? So, you are teaching the younger generations, no? I hope nga namin nasabtan sa ato ang subjects nga inanid ay ang different sa teaching sa undergrad. Although na pag-undergrad gyapon kay need mo naman mag-submit og outcome. Kaya sa kaayo kasarat ta mag-meet nga sa final na dayon. Wala sad ta wala na sa klase-klase pud ta gamay para sa gibahiran ninyo. Kaya makaingon nga Sir Plaza nga gibahiran si Sir tagaan ra ta og chapter 1 ug chapter 2. Sa lugar ni. Wala pug natay ma-learn nga maulaw sad ta og dawat sa sulod wala may na-learn. Alright, sige. Questions? Any concerns? Ayun raman, no? If na lang may concerns, you can have your, you can message me. Uh, unsay pwede i-develop, no? Napag-iisa ka to. If you wanted to have a particular nga quantitative in nature, you start a question, no, on your SOP. A what question? No? What is, ano ba? What is the, so man, kanang, in relevance to your topic pa, no? Naman na sa mga developing. Then answered through statistics na rin ta, no? Whether it is uh, so yan ang mga statistics, descriptive and inferential, basta inferential statistics. No? Kana ito magamit kanang descriptive statistics is magamit lang og mean, variance, standard deviation, while ang kaning inferential, yeah, aya palagi mo function no kasultan. While inferential is we're talking about the regression analysis, the pairwise concept, the sa pa man, mga ANOVA, MANCOVA, daghan nga mga parameters no depending on the subject or on the problem that you are going to solve, no? So that's the difference between quantitative, but while qualitative, it is expected that you will be doing in an interview or focus discussion, group discussion rather, to conduct or to get, no, to collect the data. It is based on the experience from each individual nga imo ang i-interview. That is qualitative. Pero kung quantitative, hatag ra kag survey question yung chikan-chikan, mana, thesis na. Alright, sige. Any concern, everyone?
Hello sir.
Hmm.
Sir, na lang ko yung last question kanang di ba katong among choosing topic earlier in the semester na naman may mga title ato laban nagamit ng
Hmm.
batong atong midterm na PIT. Pwede
Yes.
man sir na same ra gyapon ang concept pero it modify lang gamay ang title kay para mura po siya concept paper paminahon.
Yes, actually, mo gali unta na ako karon kay mag-ask ko kung example, tagaanta mong example. I think gitaganta mo example before.
Wala po sir.
Wala pa nga kana bitang ta sa Google. Google Scholar. Sige. So akong i-share akong screen. So, kani siya. Tignan kung makita ha, akong screen. Okay. So type record ka sa topic nimo Sir Plaza.
Kuan sir, influence of task safety orientation on
Influence of
pre-task safety orient
pre-task?
oh pre-task pre net
Pre-task, ano?
pre tapos EASK task.
Ana,
Oh, safety orientation
tapos safety orientation.
on construction workers hazard recognition
O daghan na di.
orientation.
Walang sir. O sige kana lang sa. So daghan kayo, no? Safety in context, relative effect of balance safety and operation for perception and performance. So muna ang yang title about safety. Safety man. Butangan na ninyo management. Wala yun. Safety management culture, oriented. Okay? So yun na lang inyong mga title. Safe, safety leadership, orientation. Okay. Sa pa may. Example, next is sa kanila pa yun. So for example, butang ko diri og lack of PPE. Lack of PPE in construction. Example mo, magiging common problem, di ba? Oh, so butang personal by use and its relation to accidents construct. Oh, naran siya sulod, di ba? Personal protective equipment. So then, in construction, accidents involved in construction project. Smart personal protective equipment. So kanang smart meaning bag-o na siya anang mga unsay mga new mga AI no gamit health and safety infrastructure projects, PPE adaptation and barriers, di ba? Gamit siya diri. Mga na. Pero ang iyang topic is PPE lang, di ba? Pero ang iyang giingon, adaptation and barriers. Dayon, building construction artisans level of access to preserve and the perceived barriers and motivating factors and adherence to its use. Kumbaga, determination of how the PPE is open to everyone, no? Accessible to everybody, and how it becomes a barrier to and a motivating factor to everyone. Common issues on compliance with productivity in construction workers. Kanang mga inana nga mga topic. So, i-develop na ninyo inyong topic based on your context nga sa inyong i-address. Dili lang ibutang PPE na PPE ra pod. General kaayo, wala kay context. Butang context. Na naman mo na develop ka term paper, mao na to siya. Imo lang nito siyang i-upgrade kaya ang term paper mong good is limited to a general perspective, but si concept bound siya for a certain topic at certain level. Oh, dili siya dili siya nga nasa topic lagi pero di ara pud taman. Dili pwede nga mao na ang topic but tanan atong i-consider kay di man ta mahuman. Dili pwede, di ba? Pwede gyapon gali mo ingon ka nga example ah safety and structural problem in construction. Wala, a model for solving structural technology and safety problems. Pwede na ni. BIM and 4D based integrated solution analysis management for complex and structural safety problems during, diba? So mga yan ang concept. Structural safety, issues and progress, assessment of health and safety solutions at construction site. Diba? Inanaraw na kasi yun. O sa context niya. So for example kani, i-click na to na siya. Ay, ang context is, sa man eh, hindi makabasa, hindi ma-open. Performing. Okay, so for instance, kaning nga topic, iyan ang giingon diri sa yung concept is to design solution sa safety site, an occupational hazard assessed. Mangita na rin ka pamaagi, unsaon nga ang occupational hazard. pag-quantify. So ingon din sa possible solutions para sa hazard safety depend on the number of criteria. Una na din criteria, hazardous factors, protected number of danger zones, architectural design. So muna din ang mga criteria. A large set solutions based na rin. Ayan nga, it is suggested to use multi-criteria decision making o technique or assessment. Imo rin ang i-search unta din yung multiple criteria decision making assessment. Ina na gina siya. So imong imagine ganina ang ating topic ra kay health and safety solutions. Pero ang sulod ay ana naa siya gitawag nga criteria hazardous then napod siya decision making and technique of assessment. How you're going to assess what is or what are the tools that you are going to use. Inan kuha ra ba ninyo ang concept? Ina na ang concept na like how this become a good problem, na ba good problem? Yeah, a good problem to address, no? Be addressed para po maka-help sa community. And let's be practical on the problem. Okay, gibuhat na to last time. Kung less ang literature, the more nga challenging. Pero kung the more nga daghan ka og literature, the better. Makitaan lang gid nimo paagi ang imong concern aso asa siya padulong imo technique. Okay? Sir Plaza.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's good. Any other questions? Ma'am Ira, may question Ma'am Ira? Ira?
Wala ra.
Wala ara, perfect na. Sige. Sir Anbert, sangay, kaya sangay. Engineer, April, May. Kira ta
Wala,
madulong.
wala ra, sir.
Wala ra. Sir Christian, kira? Good evening, sir. Okay ra na, sir. Sir Christian, okay ra ta, Sir Christian? Signal siguro. Murag na ani sa site. Ang buhos diya. Tara mo nagbuhos diya ha. Okay. Sir Dexter. Ito sir. Ah, hmm. Ay, pila ka ka. Alaw murag natoy duwa man si Ma'am Lian man yata wala pa pod. Ikaw wala pa ka naman sir. Mag-present di ka mag-present ka karon sir. Okay, sige okay. Okay, okay. Sir Dunil, kaya ta
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Engineer Tuting, kaya.
Kira sir, kira
Kaya,
sir.
sir.
Okay, good. Sir Rabaw, Sir Jay.
Yes sir, okay ra sir. Mangutan na rami sa GC sir kung naa sir.
Okay.
Sige sir.
Okay, Ma'am Lian,
Hello, sir. Good
mag-report ka
evening.
karon.
Mag-report, sir. Bago po kong
Okay.
kabot, sir. Mga pila lang kami gawin kay sir.
Si Sir Dexter
Masettle
lang
down
ato
lang po.
ipauna.
Okay,
Sir
sir.
Dexter lang
Sige, sir.
ipauna. Sige.
Sige daw.
Engineer, Ma'am Lizel. Okay,
Okay ra, sir.
Okay.
Okay ra, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Engineer Mara, kirata dira.
Okay ra, sir.
Okay, sige. Engineer Quirino.
Okay ra po, sir.
Okay. Engineer Mudesser. Sir.
Good evening, sir. Okay na po, sir.
Medyo nakuha na to, sir, ha? Sige,
Yes,
Sir
po.
Plaza. Okay naman, Sir Plaza. Engineer Pasilios.
Okay ra po, sir.
Okay, sige. So, anyway, all of you are kana okay no mas okay nga okay ra mo. Hindi na ako magproblema later on. So, let's proceed na lang to the so again, sum up note katong na late no next time next meeting will be the uh the content no addition mag-meeting gyapon ta kay basin na pod may mga questions sa chapter 1 unsay kuan sa inyong chapter 2 although na may video but how you are going to use chapter 2 in general. Okay, dayon dayon sa May 7 dili ta mag-meet, okay? Then sa next week dayon submit din ninyo yung concept. That is part of your final exam. Di na ta mag-final exam. Na to siya. Okay? So of course, inyong grade is naka-base sa inyong output. Tarong din na to tong output. Para po tsada-tsada tong grade. Ang dili makapasa og concept na INC lang sa gyud ha. Magpasa gyud tag concept pero I'm sure nakabuhat naman mo ini ra gitong i-plaster. Mo gito ang concern ako sa una kay sometimes students na binagraduate kay nabi trabaho. Aron easier sa inyo igihimo ako siyang concept nga way of answering and understanding the topic. Mura sa ginana nga concept pa. But at the end of the day, all of your answers or all of your activities will be gathered and collected to come up with one output. And ana ra gyud. Aron di na mo copy paste, rephrase, develop, improve. Ana na lang din yung buhaton. Dili na gyud itong usagi akong magsugod, asa ka ko kay kung nagsugod bitaw sa panumiro, I do not know. Kay sometimes maganda ang dahilan usahay nga dili kita human because of the requirements. Magsabay pa gyud dayon patay. Nuktok. Sige, Engineer Dexter, you can proceed, sir. Actually, nananghid pa ni si Sir Dexter, no? He was absent last time kay wala na ato siya. Ang sakit to, sir? At sa to'y dahilan. Yes. Oh, nangangya si sir nga kung pwede ka. Nalimot po ko kaya I thought nga nakuman lang. So, di magkaidot na tag 40 na tag ay nalimot naman to. Sige, Sir Dex, ikaw una, sir. Then si Ma'am Lian, later on na lang. Nanghid po din si Ma'am Lian kay sa kaning trabaho na to, normal yun na, no? Alang unahon na to pag eskwela. Natay trabaho, dato ibayad sa tuition. No? So sad, sige. So understand, kanang uban diya while listening, himo-himo na mag-anam diya sa inyong kuan sa inyong ang laptop no. Sa bilang ning tulo nga mag-discuss. No? If namoy makuha sa ilang discussion, mas maayo. Okay, sir. Dex, you can go. Screenshot lang ka sir ha sa imong output. Well, as well as Ma'am Leanne. I-open lang daan sir ang kuan. I-open to daan then mayroon ka share. Yes sir, guys. Sir, nakoy question, sir. Naa kay kung katong list nga daghan simo ang presentation or di magud na mo siya dili, what I mean is katong iyang figure gyud katong gikan bitaw sa level of risk nga di ba natay level katong extreme. Ah, wala ga-move imo ang kuan, sir, imo ang kaya na imong piti. Ay one raman day siya. Aman ang kuan ana, wala ka dahil nga pipiti. Sana ka pipiti ka slide na. Ah, so sa wala ka nakahimo sa lain katong may level of assessment sa imong risk. Makita na katong first ra slide nimo ra. And anyway, ay submit na lang sir sa kuha sa ato ang i-submit na lang siya sa kuang sa tong link, ha? Thank you. Okay. Ano lang mo. Okay. Sige, sige, sige. Okay na sir. Hindi pa. Naiwan naman na kita kanina. Okay, thank you. Yes, yes. Okay, okay. That's good. Thank you, sir Dexter. I submit that output sa to ang link. And let's proceed to Ma'am Lian. Thank you.
Okay, good evening, Doc. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for allowing me to report today. So, next time is not able to report. Thank you very much for the consideration, sir. So, I will turn off my camera, sir. Kay tablet, magod siya mo off siya, sir. So, that's it. Yes. Makita na siya, sir? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead, ma'am. Kita na lang. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Makita na ang... Okay. Sir. So, good evening once again. Today, I will be presenting my risk assessment report on safety hazards at a bridge construction site, specifically focusing on crane operations near a waterway. Actually, this is near the City Hall, kaning bridge, if it's going to Carmen. So, this report aims to identify potential hazards present at the construction site, evaluate the level of risk, and recommend control measures to ensure worker safety. The activity involves crane operations, working at height, and interaction with both environmental and operational risk, making it a high-risk construction scenario. And so the first part is the assessment. Of the assessment is the hazard identification. So the key hazards include working at height, which may lead to falls, heavy machinery operation, posing risk of collision and crashing, unstable structures, especially the bridge under construction, falling objects from lifting operations, entanglement in cables and moving parts, poor housekeeping leading to slips and trips, electrical hazards from possible power lines, traffic and pedestrian interaction, environmental factors such as wind and rain. Akong padakon. So, mo siya. Mo ni atong picture, kita na to. This was taken sometime in the morning and another time in the afternoon and another side near the bridge. So for the possible outcomes, if these hazards are not controlled, possible outcomes include fatalities or severe injuries such as head trauma or spinal injuries, minor injuries like cuts or sprains, damage to equipment and structures, also project delays and increased cost, and kung and reputational damage to the company if na ay mga injuries nga ma experience or ma encounter. And then so these are the highlights importance of proper risk management. For the risk evaluation criteria, to assess the risk, we use two main criteria. First is likelihood, which refers to how often a hazard may occur. So the second is severity, which refers to how serious the consequences are if the hazard happens. So these are rated from 1 to 5, and when multiplied, they will give us the overall risk level. So based on the evaluation, working at height and heavy machinery operation are classified as extreme risk. So the likelihood is 5, the severity is 5, so the risk level is extreme. For heavy machinery operation, the likelihood is 5, the severity is 5, so the risk level is also extreme. For unstable structures, falling objects, housekeeping issues, electrical hazards, and traffic exposure, the evaluation are high risk. And for the entanglement, it is considered as medium risk. So this means immediate control measures are required, especially for extreme and high risk. So for the control measures, to reduce this risk, several control measures are recommended. For working at height, use of fall protection systems such as harness, supervision by a competent person. For heavy machinery operation, only certified operators and experienced operators should use the machinery. Regular maintenance and pre-operation checks of all equipment, clear communication protocols, hand signals, or radios. Then also implement traffic management plans to separate pedestrians and vehicles. Also ensure adequate lighting for night operations. But so far, wala man po ko nakita nga moabot gyud sad sila og gabi mag-operate. And for the unstable structures, conduct thorough structural assessments before and during work. Implement temporary support system as needed. Strict adherence to load limits for the bridge. If na-notice na to sa picture, no, naka ano na siya, naka naay bali embankment, and then naalang dahil dito na gibutang ang crane. So there is a tendency nga if dili na siya matarong o butang na mo overturn ang crane. So also for the falling objects, secure all loads properly before lifting. Use tow boards and netting to prevent small items from falling. Establish and enforce exclusion zones below lifting operations. Workers should wear hard hat at all times. So na-notice po na ako dito sa picture nga na ay mga tao nga wala sila nag-PPE, and I don't know if these are part of the kanang construction project or nag-visit lang ba sila. So this is very risky po sa ila. So for the entanglement, makita po nato na dool siya sa mga wires. So ensure machinery guards are in place. Provide training on safe operating procedures around moving parts. Maintain a safe distance from operating machinery. And then for the site housekeeping, regular site cleanup schedules. There should be a designated areas for material storage, clear pathways and walkways, and also prompt removal of debris. Kay dagan mga uban sa kadili na kay sa
Are you done, ma'am? Okay na.
sorry po, sir. Sir, padayon ko, sir.
Okay.
Next is the electrical hazards. Identify and mark all overhead power lines. Maintain safe clearance distances from power lines. De-energize lines if work must be performed in close proximity. And also for the traffic pedestrian interaction, implement a comprehensive traffic management plan. Use barriers and signage to guide pedestrians, and also designate safe walkways. And for the environmental factors, monitor weather conditions, stop or delay operations in high winds, heavy rain, or thunderstorm. Secure equipment and materials. For the residual risk, even after applying control measures, some risk will still remain. However, these risks are reduced to acceptable levels. So extreme risks are reduced to high or medium. The high risk are reduced to medium or low. The medium risk are also reduced to low. So the goal is to make all activities as safe as reasonably practicable. So for the final recommendation, in conclusion, it is strongly recommended to implement a comprehensive site-specific safety plan. And this includes clear identification of hazards, proper implementation of control measures, defined roles and responsibilities, regular toolbox meetings, safety audits, and continuous training are essential. Special attention must be given to crane operations, load handling, and structural stability. Continuous monitoring is also necessary to ensure safety compliance. And so to conclude, safety must always be the top priority in any construction project. By properly identifying hazards, evaluating risk, and applying effective control measures, we can prevent accidents and ensure a safe working environment. So as stated in safety practice, no task is so important that it cannot be done safely. So safety today, success tomorrow. Tomorrow, think safety, work safely, and we all go home safely. So Thank you. And this ends my report. Thank you. Sorry, kids. Taba ka kung palibot.
Okay. Nice. Very good. Good, ma'am, no? Very good kayo mong reporting, ma'am. Nice kayo context ng report. Pwede na ganyan, ma'am Lian, magtukod og kuan kanang orientation.
Thank you.
Congrats, ma'am. No, good output.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Doc. Thank
Ah,
you, everyone, for
actually, si
listening.
Ma'am Lian, gi-submit na niya yung output sa kuan. Kita na kuan niya.
Oh, last time man good okay na activity and medyo
Hmm.
ano man gud to siya kanang na ay ano sir ba sabat diri sa ko nga. Dili na ko
Mm-mm.
nagpauli na sa dugi minahuman. Anyway, sir, thank you all also for the consideration.
Of course, thank you for our classmates for listening.
Thank you also,
Anyway.
classmates.
Alright, sige, mag-screenshot siguro tayo before na mag-end o na pa clarification or wala na. Everyone. Sige, so, kaon man kukuan. Kaon kong judge. Sige, kapoy na napakoy kuan. Sige, everyone, open their camera. Ang nang camera ka nang smile nga makasubmit og chapter 1 og chapter 2. Nang wala. Ato na lang inunaon nga wala ka ta nalibog sa chapter 2 ug chapter 1. Alright,
Doc,
sige,
mag-screenshot sa
smile.
day ko,
One.
Doc. Kadali lang kay Doc.
Ako ko yun.
Mag-screenshot sa day ko, kadali lang kay Doc.
Screenshot
Sorry,
sa
Doc.
siya, ma'am. Nalimot siya, ma'am. Sige, ma'am. Amo kang
Sa
pasayloon, ma'am.
Hindi na ba mo appear? Hindi na ba mo appear, Doc?
Screenshot na lang. Kinsa ba? Manugo na lang. Ako na lang. Sa may manugo, ani. Ako? Sige, ako na lang. 1, 2, 3. Jer tuting unta to. Dugay mag-open sa Jer tuting. Ako isend sa GC, ma'am.
Okay, thank you,
Okay.
Doc. Thank you.
Where is that? Saan naman si Sir? Sir Dex, nag-screenshot kasi mo, Sir Dex, sa imong kuan, output. Aray mo. Okay na ta. Sige, okay na. Sige, screenshot ta everyone, no? Kung si Ma'am, ano si Ma'am Mara dire?
Yes, sir.
Dear Mara, nakita sa screenshot kay Even.
1, 2,
Ready?
3. Smile, everyone. Okay. Okay. Okay na, sir.
Okay na. Thank you everyone. God bless. See you next week sa chapter 2. Kung may mga questions, bye-bye. God bless.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
Doc.
Thank you, Doc.